Welcome back, or welcome. We are on our way to FD, and by we, I mean me and Carrie. Good morning.
She came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
Early day for us. I managed to squeeze my toe into a sneaker. I'm very proud. First sneaker since I broke my toe. Got the Vans on today.
Not my empty bloom.
I am waddling like a duck instead of walking like a pimp with a limp. I guess that's better.
Show me your waddle.
To Stafford Speedway we go.
It looks very small.
Wow, haven't been here since the New England 900. Carrie's first time.
Where the am I going?
We are here. We got our bracelets and our credentials. I feel so official with this folder. You guys have no idea. I am calling quits on the Vans because my toe is hurting. Back to the flip-flops. Gotta carry everything in, so touch base then. So since the booth is all set up, Carrie and I are gonna go explore. Mark, we're leaving you, sorry.
It's all good.
Very hard to ride and record, so I keep having to stop. Yeah, you're good. It's time for Guitar Hero. Shout out Carrie for the brand new guitar.
You're welcome. What can I say?
I got it! It's time to play. I might get copyright.
You think so?
Might, yeah.
Just put some like BS all over it. You can't.
Yeah, I can't jump it without.
You probably can't even hear it that much. You're kind of far.
Girl, you're good. Go faster.
Okay, don't go that fast.
Quick foodie stop. We got Mark food too. Carrie, you look like such a mom right now.
Is it giving?
I'm not gonna lie, this is pretty mid. It's just pro spec driving right now. I believe pro qualifying is tonight, so we'll go watch for a little bit and then call it a day. That's never a good sign. We are gonna pack up the TV and electronics. Carrie's getting excited for Love Island soon.
12 seconds later.
Well, that didn't take long.
I'm swapping to my phone because I'm not risking my camera in this weather.
Hurry up, Mark. Are they all down?
They're down as they'll go.
Sick. We are heading out for the night. Good morning. Day 2 of Formula Drift. We are not there yet. Carrie went home, unfortunately, so I am stuck with Jordy and Bobby.
Why do you say it like it's a bad thing?
It's not. I was just kidding. They watched Love Island with us, so it's okay.
Always angry. Don't out us.
Sorry I'm late.
It is what it is.
Let's set all this up. Ta-da! Let's do a quick fit check. Got my red halter, got Formula Drift colors on, fanny pack. Venue doesn't open to the public until 1, so we got some time to kill. That's crazy.
Bring you back PTSD memories right there.
Yeah, I accidentally took out Cole Richards' merch booth yesterday with the scooter. I'm like falling asleep over here. I'm so tired. I know that guy.
nicely nuzzled in there. Put him in it. He was in that chase position. Looking good, just ripping out the slingshotting into that first outside zone, coming down to the power alley. Good execution on that inside pick. Watch the transition. Well done.
We're gonna pack up for the day and watch the rest of the event.
Many boring hours of cleaning later.
With my strap.
The next morning.
Good morning. Not gonna lie, I got pretty tipsy last night and knocked the hell out in the car on the way home and beeline straight to bed as soon as I got home. So it is day 3 of Formula Drift, last day, pro day. Congrats to the pro spec winners. None of my wiring specialty guys, unfortunately, but it's okay. Who you got?
I don't know who's driving. How do you not know who's driving?
Day 3 and Rob's here. We still aren't all the way set up because this wind is crazy. We're selling rocks. Rob's still messing with the connectors.
Windy.
I am done making content for the booth, so now we are gonna go roam and see the rest of FD has to offer. I'm gonna switch to the phone cam though because the camera gets annoying to carry on the scooter. Let's go check in on Jordy.
I gotta try and remember how to do this.
How's business?
Booming. Top.
You're just here.
I'm just here. Vibing, bro. Just vibing.
3 hours later.
Small update. I had a hot dog for lunch. I'm eating an icy now. Now we're all the way.
Adam's up. Adam's up.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, Adam's up.
Scratch what I was doing. Now we're gonna go watch.
Who's got
Never mind, we missed his run, but it's fine. Almost time to pack up the booth. Top 16 is about to start. I'm just gonna start carrying all my stuff over to Jordy, so we're ready to go when it's time. Got my Wii, Car Heroes. Got my Autumn. Okay. Oh, it's a video.
Taking a video, his hood flew off.
Move your head! Move!
The soap bar and a soft later. Wow.
There's kind of a man.
Toe jam.
The next day.
And we are back at the shop. Been a long weekend, and we are here with our brand new truck. Jordy finally pulled the trigger and got himself a Rock Warrior Tundra.
I'm now poor. More poor than I was before.
It is a 2011.
Yeah.
Interior is pretty clean. Bluetooth radio. As you guys know, in the Sequoia, we gotta plug one in here. Isn't really that fun. Plenty of storage. I don't know why it has as many sunglasses holders as it does, but it does. Back seat is pretty roomy. We want to end up getting a cab for this thing so we can put a bed and all that camping pizzazz. We still have the Sequoia, do not worry. It's not going anywhere just yet, but it is for sale, so if you're interested, let me know. And if you might have noticed, Jordy's new hat. Pre-order is live for 1 more week. Shirts are live. I did swap out the blank for the shirts. Nothing crazy. It still looks the same. It's just 100% cotton instead of polyester because I didn't realize it was a little too thin.
Kylie didn't realize what polyester was.
No, I didn't. Check out the site. I am going to end the video here though. Jordy is just changing out his blacked out headlights because it got the New Hampshire special. Nothing too crazy going on with this. I do have some good news though. My Link stuff finally shipped. It should be here Friday, so you know what that means. So please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.